Alright guys, welcome back. In this video we are quickly going to be discussing about the Synindra and the latest updates that you need to know about this particular project. If you are participating in this particular project, I know that you watching this video right now might probably be looking out for this information that I'm about to share with you, and you are asking yourself questions which I am about to answer you in this particular video. So if you are participating in this project, I strongly believe that you have been waiting for this type of video. So we are going to be discussing that in this video, but before we go into that, if you are new into my YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscription button. Also make sure that you do turn on the notification bell so that you always get notified whenever I upload new videos. So the first thing is that few days back, 6 days ago, you see that Synindra wish Muslims about their prayer and fasting right there, and then on February, which was the last time they made an announcement, February 22, you discover that they talked about the KYC. And then they also talked about this burning of the Synindra tokens, which I have made videos about it in the past. And if you look at it, you will see that their latest updates have been about positioning and strategizing and planning carefully towards the listing. So the big question right now that I know that many people are asking is, when will Synindra list and what is the latest update? And also some people might ask me what is happening with Synindra app right now, because that is one of the biggest question right now. If you head over to your Synindra app and click on it, you see that it is going to load up like this and show you that we will be back soon. So this message has been triggering a lot of fear, a lot of curiosity, a lot of tension, a lot of anxiety in the community, amongst the community of the Synindra team, and everybody is asking, is Synindra scam? Did Synindra disappear? Or what is really happening? What is really happening? Because something like this, it has never happened in the history of the Synindra project since it launched its mining phase since some years back, and we have been mining so far. Nothing like this has happened. Now the question is, what is literally happening? What is Synindra cooking? Are they trying to disappear? Now if you look right here, you see that they say something: sorry for the inconvenience, we are performing some maintenance at the moment. If you need to, you can always follow us on Twitter for updates, otherwise we'll be back up shortly. Two things that are very important there. They say you can follow them on Twitter, and then also for updates, and then also you can wait for them. So which means that they are coming back. They did not just go say, wait, we are coming back shortly, and then they refer you to follow them on their X account. So, and they said that you can follow them for updates. What updates are they planning to release? Like I said, Synindra has never done something like this, and for them to be launching this kind of maintenance, because it actually started last night. I checked it last night, it started running. Probably, I strongly believe that this maintenance they are running, they want to run it for about 24 hours. So maybe by midnight today we should be able to know what is the next step. So what is happening now? This one is happening for the very first time, and they said that we should follow them on Twitter for the updates. Now, for those who don't know their Twitter, or who are using Twitter and they don't know how to access Synindra Twitter, all you need to do is come here and then click on it. It will take you to their Twitter, so you can see. So from the link they posted there, this is Synindra's official Twitter account. This is their official Twitter account, and there is actually this one too, because you can see that they have reposted tweets from that particular one. So they have reposted it, and then if you click on it and come over here, you are going to see that they are just following 4 accounts, and these are the 4 accounts right here. And inside those 4 accounts is also this first one that the link is loading us to from the app. So which means that those 2 accounts are being owned by Synindra. Now what they are trying to now tell us, now they say we should follow them to wait for the updates or wait for their return, which means that they are planning to release one massive sweet update. It might probably be listing, because I strongly believe that Synindra is going to list this particular year. And I've already shared a lot of things about this project, and I've shared with you their vision, their plans, and some of those things. So I strongly believe that they are finalizing to bring us updates about their listing and other things. So all we need to do is wait, slow down, and then wait for the announcement to come up soon. And now, talking about Twitter, for the purpose, for the community, for those who are looking for ways to make money, let me share this. I've been sharing it in my other videos about Twitter, and I've been telling you that Twitter is making people cash out a lot of money on it, and by simply posting, typing things, posting, talking about their daily life, talking about politics, talking about so many things, talking about the different niches, different brands, promoting like that, and then making their money online. But first of all, you need to build a community, you need to build a followership ground. And when I started making those videos, if you remember very well, if you check my account, I was just having about 43 followers. If you look at it right now, I have over 1,500 followers right here, and I've been building, I've been sharing it. So if you want to build an X account where you can be earning from it, so you can make sure, go to the comment section of this video. First of all, make sure you create an account, go to the comment section or the description section of this video, then you are going to see a link to our X account. Follow us, we'll be following you back, and then from there we can be sharing updates. And if you want to learn how to grow it, let me know, and I'm going to guide you. This over 1,000 plus followers, I just got them, I think this week, approximately this week. It's just this week I was able to do that. So which means before a month runs out, I should be able to I must have gone far. So I want to share that update with the community. You know, some of us content creators, we create content and we make money from YouTube. I don't want a situation where it will just be us making that money and then my community is not doing. At least if you cannot create content for YouTube, if you can't make videos like this and teach other people, if you can't make videos to open people's eyes on other things, then you can at least view your idea, express your ideas, express yourself on a space like Twitter and then make money. It is an opportunity to make money. I'm sharing it because I believe everybody here is actually trying to make money, and I want to open that opportunity up to you. So if you are part of my community, make sure that you create an X account and then follow us, and then let's follow that. And also our Telegram community is still open, so make sure that you join and become part of us. So the link will be in the comment section and also in the description section to join and become part of us. So thank you so much. See you in my next video.